Today is 15th of December 2021. We are at Bukit Aman, okay, Kuala Lumpur Police Headquarters. Alright, this is regards to Ustaz Shakir Nasrullah, where thousands have lodged report on the 3rd of October and a second report was lodged on the 10th of October. Okay, it has been 70 days now, but yet no action has been taken by PDRM. And today is 70 days, yeah? 70 days already. And I've sent two official emails to Bukit Aman as well as USJT. USJT stands for Unit Siasatan Jenayah Terkelas. So initially the report was under IPD Kuantan, but now it's transferred. On the mid of October, it has been transferred to Unit Siasatan Jenayah Terkelas, which is under Bukit Aman. Alright? So we want to know what's the status of the report, because till to date we have not got any updates, even though after sending two emails to Bukit Aman. Okay, now I have a status, laporan polis. This was regards to another two more pictures which I made the report back on all of us. In fact, all of us did the report. This was back two years back. And so when you see the status of the update by the police, they are saying that we have already opened a file, but it is under Aegis, okay, DPP, under Aegis chamber. Alright, but here when you go to the court, the DPP will come and say police has classified the case as no further action, NFA. But again, when you see in the court, the DPP will blame the police, saying that they classify as NFA. But when you ask the police, they are saying that it's under the investigation of the DPP. DPP has to come up with a statement. So this is how it's going on, ding dong. But there is no what you call that an answer to us. What are they going to do, or what is the next course of action? So this is very sad here now. And okay, now MC, okay, Minister Communication and Multimedia Minister Tan Sri Anwar Musa, when he was questioned in the Parliament, okay, is there a necessary to establish a National Harmony Act bill? And his reply, no, we don't need that. We don't need that. Just that the people must adopt, okay, to proper attitudes and appropriate values. I don't know what is he talking. There's a problem. You must find solution. What he's saying is not a solution. Why are they so afraid to table the racial and religious hatred bill in the Parliament? I don't understand why. And here in the Parliament, we got what? We got 70 deputy ministers, and the only thing they talk about in the Parliament is about Tima, or they will be talking about stewardess uniform. Is this relevant for the Rakyat? Is this what we want? Okay, and here you have Wan Ahmad Faisal, who is a deputy minister for Ministry of Unity. As the Ministry of Unity, someone in Ministry of Unity, and he is talking on behalf of Pribumi, okay, about vernacular school. But everyone is talking about vernacular school, which is breaking the unity, using vernacular school as a scapegoat. But no one is talking about people like Ustaz Shakir Nasrullah. No one is talking about it. And this is not the first time it happened, but many events. Many of us went down, make a police report, believing in the rule of law and the constitution, but nothing takes place.